In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and add a payment method on Hostinger. If you want to keep your hosting services running smoothly, it's important to make sure your billing information is up to date. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Hostinger account so you can add a new payment method quickly and without confusion. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account page where you can access your settings and account options easily. This is where you'll manage your billing and payment preferences. Next, click on your profile. You'll usually find this in the account area of the dashboard. Opening your profile gives you access to important account-related settings, including the billing section. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just look carefully through the menu items connected to your account settings. From there, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger keeps all the information related to payments, invoices, subscriptions, and payment options. If you're updating how you pay for your hosting plan, this is the correct place to do it. Once you're in the billing area, click on Payment Methods. This page is specifically designed for managing the payment options connected to your account. If you already have a payment method saved, you may see it listed here. If not, this is also where you can add one for the first time. Now click Add Payment Method. This will open the Setup area where you can choose how you'd like to pay. Hostinger may offer several payment options depending on your region. So simply select the payment method you prefer. After choosing it, enter your payment details in the required fields. As you type in your information, make sure everything is accurate to avoid billing issues later. It's a good idea to double-check your details before saving, especially if this payment method will be used for renewals or future purchases. Once you've entered the information, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. After that, your new payment method should be added to your account and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to update and add a payment method on Hostinger. Keeping your payment information current can help prevent interruptions to your services and make future billing much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.